Hey y'all, today I'm back with another easy hair tutorial. Just got in some hair from HOTBRAIDS. So I got 5 bundles of their tight Afro Kinky human braiding hair. This is what it looks like, y'all. But this hair is really good if you want to do faux locks or twists. If you want your end result to look super natural, like it's growing out of your scalp, this hair is the way to go. So when I received it, all the hair came in this cute little pouch, and it also came with this box, which has combs and tools and things. All of these are gonna come in handy for doing my hair, so that was really nice. I did wash the hair when I first got it. I always, as you guys know, I wash all of my extension hair. I prepare a tub of water and I add in some white vinegar and shampoo. Then I just submerge the hair in. I left this hair soaking in the water for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then I gently rinsed it and I just let it air dry. So first step, I'm gonna part my hair from ear to ear. Tie the back for now. In the front, I'm gonna make a part down the middle. To make my parts crisp, what I like to do, as I've shown before, is take some braid gel. Today I'm using this one, put it on the part, and then go back in with a small tooth comb and clean the part up. So to make this process easier, what I'm gonna do is pre-part all of my hair, and then I can go in and do the twist. So on each side of this part, I think I'm gonna do 5 rows. Again, I make my preliminary part, then I take some of this braid gel right on that part and then clean it up. I'm gonna do medium size sections. So for this row down here, I'm just gonna separate this into 2. Apply a little bit more braid gel around my roots. Take this little brush and brush it flat. Then I'm gonna take a small rubber band and band it all together. And the rubber band method is really useful, especially for beginners, because it allows you to have super slick, flat roots. This method also helps with getting all of the hair in, because I usually have issue, especially around my edges, getting some of those shorter hairs into the braid or the twist or the lock, whatever style I'm doing at the time. So banding it really helps with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue sectioning my hair in these medium-sized parts, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to do the actual twist. This was the most tedious part of this, and it took me about 2 hours, but now I can just breeze through doing the twist because I already have my hair sectioned and prepped and ready. All right, so for each twist, what I'm doing is I am taking out a piece of hair from the bundle, about this much hair for each twist. Then I gently stretch the hair out a little bit to make it longer. And you guys can see this hair has some little knots in it, tightly coiled clusters that, you know, generally happens with hair of this texture. If I hold it tightly together, it's about that much. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how much hair this is. But I want it to be pretty substantial so the twists aren't super thin. But you can add more or less depending on how thick you want your twist. I'm gonna take each sectioned piece. I'm gonna take my crochet hook, make sure it's open, slide it underneath the rubber band. Okay, once it's open like that, I'm gonna take this hair, hook it onto my finger like this, place that loop onto the open hook, close it. I'm gonna hold one end of the hair while I pull the other end through. Okay, I'm gonna pull them a little bit so they're mostly equal on both sides. And then with my real hair in the middle, I'm gonna separate this into a top and bottom half to add it to both pieces of the extensions. Take some braid gel on my hands. I want to make sure my hands stay coated, and then take this top part, you know, put my hair and the extensions together. The bottom part, combine my hair and the extensions together, and I'm going to just start twisting. At the very top, I'm going pretty tight, and then I'm gonna ease up a little bit once I go down because I want the twist to expand. And then every once in a while I will get some more of that braid gel on my fingers to keep them coated as I am twisting down. And I'm gonna twist down most of the way. I'm gonna leave a little bit loose. And with this hair, I actually like that you do get the irregularities with it. Like, it's not super uniform and perfect. And I don't know why I have these brown rubber bands. I thought they were black. And then I just keep twisting. All right, so all the twists are done, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends. So I have a cup of hot water. It's hot, it's not boiling hot, it's just hot from the tap. Get as much of the hair in there as I can. As you can see from the difference between this side and this side. So it just makes it lay really nicely and makes the hair more flowy. Now I could actually just leave the hair like this, just leave the twist loose, maybe trim the ends a little bit to even everything out, but I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna go ahead and Bantu the ends. I'm gonna take each twist. I want the twist to be a few inches below my shoulders. Go to the length that I want my hair to be at the end, and I'm gonna bring it up here and wrap it around. And you want to wrap it pretty tightly. Go down, remove my finger, pull down a little bit, and that's going to secure that end so y'all can see what's going on. All right, y'all, so this is the finished style. I am so in love. I'm so in love. I just want to bob and weave and let my hair swing. It just looks so good. It looks so natural. I love how juicy the twists are. I love how realistic this whole style looks. To me, it's reminiscent of when someone has locks and they twist them together. That's kind of what this looks like. Just looks like twisted locks. Feels really nice in my hair too. It's very soft, very springy, and with the blunt Bantu ends, it has so much movement. I love the short cropped look. The hair is really full and thick, and by the way, I used 3.5 bundles to achieve this look. And if anyone is wondering how to easily remove these, I'll show you right now. You'll just untwist the end. Sometimes you can just pull it and it'll come loose. Then you simply untwist the hair, unravel it, going in the opposite direction. And from here, you can simply pull out the extensions. It'll come right out. So now you're just left with your real hair and the rubber band. To safely remove the rubber band, I'm gonna take this rat tail comb, just place it underneath the rubber band to lift it up. Once I have the band up like that, I hold my finger here so it's separated from my real hair at the top. Cut it. And the band is gone. That's the easy way to remove this. It's very simple. So shout out to Hot Braids. Like I said, I'm in love with this style. I will have the link below to this hair as well as a coupon code for you guys to save some money if you order it. I'm about to go outside so somebody can see this do. Somebody needs to see this hair. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I will catch you all on my next video. Bye.